Are you getting ready for your UK driving theory test? You're in the right place. In this video, we'll take you through 40 essential UK road signs that every learner and senior driver must know. From warning signs to regulatory and information boards, we'll break them down so you remember them with ease. Stick with us until the end. That's the only way for you to master these signs and boost your chances on test day. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you are updated all the time. Let's get started. Question 1. Which road sign is this? A. Camping and caravan site 300 yards ahead. B. Picnic area 150 yards, 140 meters ahead. C. Youth hostel 200 yards in the direction indicated. The answer is C. Youth hostel 200 yards in the direction indicated. Question 2. Guess this road sign. A. Picnic area 150 yards, 140 meters ahead. B. Youth hostel 200 yards in the direction indicated. C. Tourist information. The answer is A. Picnic area 150 yards, 140 meters ahead. Question 3. Identify this traffic sign. A. Triangle diversion marker. B. Hollow square emergency diversion marker. C. Square diversion symbol. The answer is B. Hollow square emergency diversion marker. Question 4. What is this road sign? A. Diversion for motorists traveling to destination. B. Junction ahead leading to a tourist attraction. C. Junction direction sign. The answer is B. Junction ahead leading to a tourist attraction. Question 5. Which traffic sign is this? A. Wigwag signal. B. Standard traffic light. C. Part-time traffic signals ahead. The answer is B. Standard traffic light. Which arms signal shows a left turn? The answer is A. Question 6. Guess this road sign? A. Diversion sign on minor roads. B. Diversion for motorists traveling to destination. C. Detour ahead. The answer is B. Diversion for motorists traveling to destination. Question 7. Name this road sign. A. Stopping place for tourist buses to take photos. B. Buses prohibited. C. Contra-flow bus lane. The answer is A. Stopping place for tourist buses to take photos. Question 8. Identify this road sign. A. Solid circle diversion marker. B. A solid triangle emergency diversion route marker. C. Diversion left. The answer is B. A solid triangle emergency diversion route marker. If this video is helping you understand UK road signs better, give it a like. It tells us you appreciate these UK driving guides and also motivates us to keep creating more highway code quizzes and guides for you. Question 9. Guess this traffic sign. A. Roadworks. B. Flagger ahead. C. Construction ahead. The answer is A. Roadworks. Question 10. Which road sign is this? A. Gravel ahead. B. Riverbank or quayside. C. Loose chippings. The answer is C. Loose chippings. Guess the car part? This is a rear view mirror. Question 11. What is this road sign? A. 100 yards to roundabout, traffic must leave route. B. Countdown marker to level crossing 1. C. 100 yards to roundabout, traffic must leave at a primary route. The answer is A. 100 yards to roundabout, traffic must leave route. Question 12. Guess this road sign. A. Circle diversion marker. B. For triangle diversion, turn right. C. Diversion on minor roads or roadworks. The answer is B. For triangle diversion, turn right. Question 13. Identify this road sign. A. Emergency diversion route for motorway. B. Diversion on minor roads or roadworks. C. Detour ahead. The answer is B. Diversion on minor roads or roadworks. What challenges are you facing? Or which UK road signs do you find most confusing? Drop your answers in the comments so we can cover them in future videos and help you succeed. Question 14. Which traffic sign is this? A. Wig-wag signal. B. Light signals at a level crossing. C. Level crossing with gate ahead. The answer is A. Wig-wag signal. Question 15. Guess this traffic sign. A. Standard traffic lights. B. Traffic signal photo enforced. C. A traffic light intended for bicycles. The answer is C. A traffic light intended for bicycles. Spot the wig-wag signal traffic sign. Question 16. What is this road sign? A. Emergency diversion route for motorway. B. Diversion for motorists. C. Detour ahead. The answer is A. Emergency diversion route for motorway and other main road traffic. Question 17. Identify this road sign. A. Keep left. B. Pass either side to reach the same destination. C. Turn left or right. The answer is B. Pass either side to reach the same destination. Want to make sure you're fully prepared for the DVSA theory test? Hit subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss new tutorials. Question 18. Which traffic sign is this? A. Historic castle tourist attraction. B. Train station. C. Steam railway. Tourist attraction 300 yards ahead. The answer is C. Steam railway tourist attraction 300 yards ahead. Question 19. Guess this road sign. A. Youth hostel 200 yards in the direction indicated. B. Direction and distance to tourist information center. C. Information. The answer is B. Direction and distance to a tourist information point or center. Question 20. What traffic sign is this? A. A solid circle emergency diversion route marker. B. Hollow square diversion marker. C. Triangle diversion marker. The answer is A. A solid circle emergency diversion route marker. Which road user has caused an accident? A. Car A. B. Car C. C. Car D. D. Pedestrian B. The answer is A, car A. Identify this traffic sign. A. Direction to tourist attraction indicated by a symbol. B. Junction ahead, leading to a tourist attraction. C. Distance ahead to a parking place with a tourist information point. The answer is C. Distance ahead to a parking place with a tourist information point. Question 22. Guess this road sign. A. Motorway junction ahead. B. Exit Gore. C. Junction ahead from a motorway exit slip road to the tourist attractions shown. The answer is C. Junction ahead from a motorway exit slip road to the tourist attractions shown. Question 23. Which traffic sign is this? A. Motorway junction ahead. B. Motorway junction ahead leading to a town. C. Junction ahead of a primary route. The answer is B. Motorway junction ahead leading to a town. Know someone struggling with UK road signs? Share this video with them. You could be the reason they pass their driving theory test with confidence. Question 24. Guess this road sign? A. A standard traffic light with a supplemental. B. A traffic light intended for bicycles. C. Traffic signal photo enforced. The answer is A. A standard traffic light with a supplemental. Question 25. What is this road sign? A. Interior lane shift right. B. Passing lane. C. Additional traffic lane, joining from the left in 200 yards. The answer is C. Additional traffic lane joining from the left in 200 yards. This cyclist is signaling A. A right turn. B. A left turn. C. An upcoming stop. The answer is B. A left turn. Question 26. Which traffic sign is this? A. One-way traffic. B. Straight through only. C. One-way, right. The answer is A. One-way traffic. Question 27. Guess this road sign. A. Direction to a picnic area. B. Junction ahead of a primary route. C. Direction via route with regional tourist sites. The answer is C. Direction via route with regional tourist sites. Question 28. Name this road sign. A. Tourist information. B. Lodging. C. Hospital. The answer is A. Tourist information. Question 29. Identify this road sign. A. Tourist information. B. Direction and distance to Tourist Information Center. C. Historic Castle tourist attraction 16 kilometers ahead. The answer is C. Historic Castle tourist attraction 16 kilometers ahead. Question 30. Guess this road sign. A. Information. B. Tourist information. C. Tourist symbol for England and Wales. Cycle hire. The answer is B. Tourist information. Name this car part. It is the car seat belt. Question 31. Which road sign is this? A. Lanes bend ahead. B. Double bend, first to the left. C. Sharp curve ahead. The answer is A. Lanes bend ahead. Question 32. What traffic sign is this? A. Priority road. B. Give way to oncoming vehicles. C. Traffic has priority over oncoming vehicles. The answer is C. Traffic has priority over oncoming vehicles. Question 33. Identify this traffic sign. A. Standard traffic light. B. A traffic light with attached tram signal lamp. C. Light signals at a level crossing. The answer is B. A traffic light with attached tram signal lamp. Question 34. Guess this road sign. A. Direction and distance to a picnic area. B. Distance to parking with tourist info. C. Picnic area 150 yards ahead. The answer is A. Direction and distance to a picnic area. Question 35. Which road sign is this? A. Motorway junction ahead. B. Junction ahead of a primary route. C. Junction on a bend. The answer is B. Junction ahead of a primary route. What does MOT stand for in the UK driving context? A. Ministry of Transport test. B. Motor operations test. C. Mandatory on-road test. The answer is A. Ministry of Transport test. Question 36. Guess this road sign. A. Junction ahead from a motorway exit slip road. B. Motorway junction ahead. C. Junction ahead of a primary route. The answer is A. Junction ahead from a motorway exit slip road to the tourist attractions shown. Question 37. What is this road sign? A. Direction to a picnic area. B. Camping and caravan site 300 yards, 270 meters, ahead. C. Camping. The answer is B. Camping and caravan site 300 yards, 270 meters, ahead. Question 38. Which traffic sign is this? A. Direction of the route to a tourist attraction for pedestrians. B. Pedestrian crossing. C. Pedestrians ahead. The answer is A. Direction of the route to a tourist attraction for pedestrians. Question 39. Identify this road sign. A. Tourist information. B. Direction to tourist attraction, indicated by a symbol. C. Tourist attraction info. The answer is B. Direction to tourist attraction, indicated by a symbol. Question 40. Guess this traffic sign. A. No through road. B. Dead end. C. Road closed. The answer is A. No through road. Want to keep sharpening your road sign knowledge? Subscribe today for weekly study guides, practice quizzes, and theory test tips. Tap one of the videos on your screen to keep learning and challenge yourself with even more signs. Stay focused, keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.